everyone, it's Chelsea. Welcome back to my channel. So this is basically my much requested hair tutorial. So I just use heatless curls every single night before bed, and I use this curling rod right here. This is off of Shein. I think it was like $5 maybe. It comes with 2 scrunchies, of course the rod, and then the hair clip. I wait for my hair to be completely dry or semi-damp. Right now my hair is dry and I'm about to go to bed, so this just takes like 5 minutes tops maybe. But I grab the rod and I put it in the center right here. My hair is split in the middle, it doesn't have to be perfect. And I put the clip on one side and I start off with the other side. So I just grab small sections like about this small and I just twist it backwards against the rod. So I'll go like this, and then I'll grab another small piece like that, and then I'll just twist it around the rod again. Do that until the whole side is done. I always try to grab my hair from the back too while I'm still at the top. That way then my curls don't look uneven, like straight down. And you just want to keep twisting it backwards, because some people make the mistake of doing their heatless curls forwards, and then that gives you like a really not voluminous style. So just make sure that you're curling it outwards. And when I get towards the end of my hair, like the bottom layer, I always do smaller chunks because it tends to not curl as much as the top layers since it's longer hair. Do shorter layers and then make it tighter. I mean shorter sections and make it tighter, or smaller sections. And then I grab a scrunchie and I just tie the ends. I have like a bunch of like tight hairs that feel like it's just like yanking out of my head, so I'm gonna pull that out real quick. Since this side is already like pretty tight right here, I'm just going to curl the side without using the clip because it's already like holding up. The smaller you make your sections, the more curled your hair is going to turn out, and the bigger you make it, then the more beach wavy you'll have it. It won't be as noticeable. Another thing that makes my hair look the way it does when I do these heatless curls is that I have multiple layers and curtain bangs. So if you just have like straight hair without any layers, it'll probably look just like kind of wavy, you know. But if you want like my specific look, then you'll have to ask for layers. I used to have really short layers and they're just like grown out now, but I think I have maybe 4 layers with face framing curtain bangs. Okay, I'm just gonna tie this until it's like tight. You know, some people can only do like 2 twists because their hair is thicker. Mine's not that thick anymore, but you know, I'm just gonna go to bed, and then in the morning I'll finish up the routine because I still fix some stuff with my bangs once I take out the rod. One quick thing though about these curling rods is that the thickness also like makes the curls turn out differently. So since I have like a kind of medium size rod, average size, it makes my curls look more pronounced. If you get a thinner rod, then you'll definitely have like curlier hair, and thicker rods just give you kind of like more subtle waves. Yeah. The only thing about heatless curls like these is that I have to sleep like on my back, and I like sleep on my side typically. I sleep like this, but now I have to sleep like this. I mean, it works if you sleep on your side, it's just a little bit uncomfortable, but like if you sleep, you like don't feel it, you know? Okay y'all, good morning. So this is what my hair looks like after sleeping in the rod. Only my bangs come out because they're like the shortest layer, right? I need to pick out my outfit for brunch. I thought that this one kind of matched the vibe since it's just like plain sleek look kind of. I got this from Ross, by the way. And then I'm just gonna wear these jeans that I got on Saturday from Hollister. I always put on my fit before I do the rest of my hair because it like messes it up, you know, when I put the shirt on. So right now I'm gonna blow dry my bangs. So when blow drying, you're gonna pull out and then roll back like this. And then I just like hold it for a few seconds. These are my rollers from Amazon, and then these are just random clips that I got in Walmart. I'll split my bangs into 2 sections. So I just take like a small portion, basically like the front part of it, and I put the rest in one roller and clip it. And with this one, instead of curling out, I'll curl inwards so that it gives it more volume. And when blow drying this one, you're gonna roll forward and underneath. So the hairbrush is underneath your hair and you're moving it forward while you're blowing from above instead of underneath. And then instead of putting the roller above my hair, I'll go in from underneath, roll it up, and clip it. While I wait for this, I'm just gonna take it out right before I leave. I'm gonna go ahead and film and get ready with me. I'll just come back once it's time to take these out. Bro, this thing keeps falling down on me. No hairs pulled today. Okay, so this is basically what the curls look like when they're like fresh, like let down. I need to fix all this because that's not cute. I just like throw it in the bag. Let the curls fly away. I try to be very careful with the rollers since they like pull your hair more. Ooh, that sounded so crisp. Find the middle here. I think that's it. I just always brush up and back, that way then it doesn't lose any volume. Kind of just depends on how my bangs feel that day, so sometimes they'll be more curled like this for some reason, and then other days it'll be like straight, so it really just depends on how my bangs turn out, but the rest of my hair kind of always turns out the same. I'll just shake it and try to separate the curls a bit. I don't brush out the curls since my hair is super thin. So since it falls out so easily, I try not to brush them out and touch them at all. And I just shake it until you can like see the curls separated and it looks like I have more hair. So that is the whole tutorial right there. I thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! I promised a fit check before I ended the video, so this is a quick fit check. I put a belt on with the jeans, right? So I have my bangles. I got these at Walmart, and then this I thrifted it. My jeans are from Hollister. The top is from Ross. My jewelry is from TJ Maxx and Marshall. And then right now I'm gonna put on my Sambas real quick.